This video will show you how to download, install, and license Active Reports onto your machine. To get started, head over to grapecity.com/download/Active Reports to download the latest version. Once you are there, enter your email and click our free trial button to get the download file for Active Reports. Run the download file to begin installing Active Reports. The first thing you will see is a license agreement. Click the checkbox to accept the terms and then click Install. The installation will begin and will take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation finishes, you will be given the option to activate your license now. If you are a trial user, you can select Finish. If you purchase the key, you can select the Activate Now checkbox to begin the activation process. If you look in the Licensing Manager, you will see the status of Active Reports on your machine. If you click Activate, then Next, you will initiate the licensing process. Fill out your information, your username, organization, email, and product key. Enter the product key exactly as you received it from Grape City, including any capital letters. When you enter the product key, a green check mark appears next to this field to indicate a valid key. Click Next and your license will be activated. For more demos, tutorials, and videos about how to get started with Active Reports, please visit grapecity.com/activereports.